Hey everyone, this is Edwin with Shirt Stay Plus, and I want to thank you for visiting our YouTube channel. This is a video tutorial on our Shirt Stay Plus tucker belt. The tucker belt is made out of a thick elastic and it has silicone on both sides. The silicone is designed to help keep your shirt tucked in. Then we also have a G-hook. This G-hook attaches to the last button of your shirt. It's made of metal. We also have the metal adjuster. This is gonna allow you to adjust the belt to your desired length. Then we have the loop here that's gonna hook around the G-hook, and I'm gonna demonstrate how that works. Take the G-hook, as you see here, attach it to the last button of your shirt as such. It's not gonna damage your button. You wanna wrap it around your waist. Then you wanna take the loop and attach it to the other end of the G-hook. And it should sit just like this. You then wanna pull your shirt down on the front and the back. Then you're ready for your pants to come up. You want to bring your pants up, tuck your shirt in, and the tucker belt is going to sit right under your waistline. So if you see the inside, it's going to sit right under your waistline. You want to put your pants on, go ahead and close them up. Make the final adjustment, and your shirt is going to be nice and tucked.